Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRun 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to delete music off your Gear S3 smartwatch. Now keep in mind with your Gear S3 you have 4 gigs of memory on it, so you're constantly juggling that between apps, pictures, and music. So if you have more apps and pictures, you won't be able to put as much music. But in this video we're going to show you how to delete music off your watch. First thing we need to do is push our home button down at the bottom and go to our home screen, and as you can see we're on the text message app. So we're going to spin around, we're going to go to our music player app. And so now that we have the music player app, tap on it to open it, and once it's open you'll see this. Now as you see at the top you see a speaker which is showing you that your sound volume, and to the right you see a watch icon. Now we're going to delete music off the watch. Like we said, you can save music to the watch, but if you tap on that watch, you see the icon changes. And now it's going to be, when it's like that, it's pulling music off the phone. So go back to the watch icon. We want to delete music from the watch. And so as you can see now, there's a song at the bottom of the screen where it's labeled Over the Horizon, and that's by Samsung itself. And so to delete music from the watch, what you need to do is go to your music app, open it up like we did, and see at the bottom too, there's an arrow. Take that arrow and swipe up. Now once you swipe up, you're in your music library. So now in my music library it says now playing 9 tracks. So I have 9 different songs on my Gear S3. So what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down a little bit and go down to where it says tracks. Now you see it says 9 tracks. Tap on that, open that up, and you can see the different songs I have on there. So that's 1 song, 2 songs, 3, and so on. So let's pick a song that we want to delete. We're going to go ahead and delete this one that says Over the Horizon by Samsung. And so once you got to the song that you want to delete, to the right you see there is 3 little dots. So tap on those 3 little dots, and now you come to the screen where you can see it says delete. And so go ahead and hit delete, and now it asks you to select the items. And so at the top of the screen it says 0. You can tap that and it'll say select all. We don't want to do that, so we're going to back up. We hit our back button. What we want to do is just delete the Samsung song Over the Horizon. So we're going to just tap that. And so once you tap that, it puts a check there on that song, and as you know, as you see at the top it says 1. Now if you want to delete some other songs, you can kind of scroll down again. Let's see, we'll just pick another song like let's say this song here. And so we tap on that song, now it says 2, and so it's deleting, it's still deleting all. It's going to delete 2 of the songs that you've chosen that you want deleted. And so now hit delete, and then it asks you again if you want to delete those 2 tracks. X will mean no, or check yes for yes. So we're going to hit the check sign, and it's deleting the tracks, and now those songs are no longer there. So if you scroll through there, you won't even see them. And if we hit and as you can see 2 now, still saying 9 tracks, it says we only have 7. And so go ahead and hit your back button, or actually hit your home button at the bottom, and now we're back to the home screen. So that's how you would delete music off your Gear S3. Now hopefully we shared something that you could use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with TechRun 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.